Want to log into your WordPress website from Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Once you're logged in, go to the Websites section in your account dashboard. Click on Website List to see all the domains and websites connected to your account. Now, from the list of websites, choose the one you want to manage. Click on the WordPress admin link next to that website. This will automatically redirect you to the WordPress admin panel in a new tab of your browser. This is your WordPress backend where you can edit, customize, and set up your website just the way you want. You can manage everything from posts, pages, plugins, and themes all in one place. That's how you can log in to your WordPress website directly from Hostinger. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.